Hi Christine, welcome to my natural hair journey. So I measured my hair, it really is 6 inches. When I took it out in my last video, if you got to see that, it hit about the bridge of my nose, but I took it out and pulling it down here, it's actually hitting almost the bottom of my lip. And I'm going from 6 inches as my starting point all the way down to past my waist, like tailbone length. I'm really excited. I wanted to show you one of my go-to hairstyles, twist and curl. But I love flat twists. I love twist outs. It's just, they take a long time. Ain't nobody got time to be doing this for like how many hours. I always start with stretched hair.
So you're gonna need a detangler, hair butter, white perm rods, this works great for me, you can use whatever length you like, and some water. Check the description box below for the details.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. You're gonna need a wide tooth comb.
Always, always, always comb from the ends before making your way up to the root. Length retention is everything on this hair journey. Also, you don't want to spray it too much, just enough to loosen the hair and get it to stretch a little bit more. If your hair is anything like mine, too much water will actually make it shrink, and we're trying to get a stretched look. So now that that's done, we're going to take a section of the hair. I'll show you how to do a flat twist up close. It's really simple. You want to take a clip just to secure the rest of your hair from getting in the way of what you're doing. And then start with a detangler. A little goes a long way. Evenly distribute it throughout your hair. Once that's done, you'll get the hair butter.
Love it.
Again, taking a very small portion and just spreading it throughout your hands. You want it to look transparent, clear. Rub that through your hair. I also like to take a little extra and get it through the ends. We're gonna separate a small section at the top. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're gonna do that again with the piece underneath as if you were doing a regular twist. But now that part that you twisted underneath right there, it's going to become attached to the new section. See that? They're held together. And then you just repeat that until you get to the bottom of that section of hair. It's almost like a cornrow, just with 2 strands. And you're just gonna repeat that again all the way to the bottom. It's so simple. I mean, I didn't think I could do it, but once I figured it out, it's really easy. So I totally believe you can do the same. When you get to the end, you're going to twist the ends of the hair about twice. Just like that. And then that section there, you'll take one of the white perm rods and you're gonna wrap the hair around the perm rod. So what I like to do is wrap it in such a way that once I get to the end, I make sure that the rest of the hair rolling upwards covers it. And once I get to the base of that twist, I'll take the little stopper, plug it in there, and get the elastic band to cover the top of the hair so it doesn't slip. Then I turn this last section of hair underneath that white perm rod, take another perm rod, and repeat the same thing again. Roll it up, put that stopper in there, and there you have it. When I do a twist and curl, I always start in the front part of my head. The perm rods are holding that section the longest, so the curls come out more defined, and that's where everyone's gonna be looking. That's where my selfies are gonna be, front part of my head. So the curls gotta be on point.
Finally finished. All that's left now is for this thing to set. And tie on a silk scarf, work out, watch a movie, take a shower. Your natural body heat will just cause the products to set. And I'll see you in the morning.
Rise and shine, let's do this. So we're gonna get the butter again.
It smells so good.
I'm not over that smell at all. Put a little bit of it through my hands, just so that the oils will seal the curls. So let's unravel it. Ooh, look at that. Yes, I'm not even finished yet, and I am so excited. So we're gonna take out all the perm rods, zoom in, and you're pretty much unraveling the flat twist. And that by itself is separating the curls. You'll see at the end that they're staying in that nice little spiral shape. If you want to separate it some more, I'd say look for a natural part and separate it, twist it around the finger, and repeat that throughout the entirety of your head. I'm taking it out now, and you can already see this is amazing. All it needs is one more thing, my pick. Put it at the root of your hair and rake it up just under the curls. See the difference? It's fuller. So just one spot here, one spot there, just to give it more volume. just to keep it on the side. Oh, I love this. Take some extra butter and put it in the ends there. One bobby pin just to keep it on the side. I like it. You don't have to do it this way, but I like to put it in there and leave a little bit out so it looks like it's naturally lying flat, still keeping those flyaways under control. And there you have it. So fluffy, so cute, love it. I gotta keep my hands out of those curls though. So I hope you love it. We'll see you again soon. Bye.